The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County, southwestern St. Louis County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Augusta and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Pacific, Eureka, Wildwood, Ellisville, Clarkson Valley, Chesterfield, Baldwin, Manchester, Valley Park, Town and Country, DePere, Kirkwood, Frontenac, Creve Coeur, Warson Woods, Fenton, Glendale, Oakland, Ludlow and Sunset Hills. This warning includes Babler Memorial State Park, Castlewood State Park and Route 66 State Park. This warning also includes Interstate 44 from exit 251 to exit 277. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Franklin and St. Louis,